Welcome back to Woven Deal, where we break down practical business systems designed to streamline your daily management tasks. In this comprehensive operational tutorial, we focus on how small businesses can seamlessly integrate automated artificial intelligence tool sequences directly into their existing daily operations. This integration is designed to dramatically boost overall team productivity. Modern enterprises waste countless hours transferring data between disconnected web software platforms, managing routine customer communications, and sorting through manual scheduling requests. By connecting intelligent language processing nodes to visual workflow tools like Zapier or Make, you can build reliable background routines. These routines execute complex decisions automatically. Across the following operational breakdowns, you will learn the exact frameworks needed. Transform repetitive administrative burdens into efficient, automated sequences tailored specifically for expanding operations. Before configuring complex platform triggers, every growing business must execute a thorough workflow audit to pinpoint where structural time sinks occur. Most operational bottlenecks surface in areas requiring manual text processing, repetitive lead evaluation, or routine data synchronization between isolated tracking applications. Map out every software program your business utilizes daily, noting each manual step required to move information from one database to another. Identify high-volume operations that occur daily or weekly, such as copying contact information from website forms into your main customer management tool. Isolating these predictable administrative patterns allows you to build focused automation parameters that yield the highest initial return on effort. Establishing an automated foundation starts with choosing a reliable central orchestration tool to link your software suite together. Visual integration software acts as the general nervous system, listening for specific event triggers and passing that incoming payload directly to downstream secondary actions. Popular business integration utilities allow non-technical teams to visually connect cloud services without writing custom code or maintaining dedicated web servers. Select a primary platform that supports both native webhooks and broad, flexible multi-step integration scenarios. Ensure your chosen service natively connects with artificial intelligence processing endpoints so data can flow seamlessly into intelligent models. The first practical system focuses on automating initial customer-led qualification and intelligent internal routing. When prospective clients submit an inquiry form on your website, that submission generates an immediate background event trigger within your integration canvas. Rather than having an employee manually read every incoming message, the raw text payload forwards directly to an artificial intelligence module. The artificial intelligence model reads the inquiry details, determines intent, checks project scale, and assigns a preliminary customer qualification score. Based on that numeric score, the automation automatically creates an updated record in your main database. And it routes high-priority notifications straight to designated account managers. Setting up this specific lead processing sequence begins by configuring the exact source trigger inside your visual setup screen. Select your active website form builder as the initial event source, establishing an active connection using secure API access permissions. Run a real test submission to pull sample fields like client name, contact email, and detailed project description directly into the platform memory. Ensure every input field maps clearly into the pipeline architecture so the secondary system reads complete data packages during every live operational cycle. Validating input structures early prevents system failures and ensures consistent analytical outputs across all future incoming inquiries. With your form data active inside the system, insert an artificial intelligence text processing module directly after the initial trigger step. You must supply this processing step with clear instructions that detail how incoming lead information should be evaluated. Instruct the language module to analyze the submitted client text, extract key project parameters, and output a concise summary alongside a priority category. Specify strict formatting guidelines for the model output so downstream software actions can parse the structured response without unexpected errors. Testing this step with varied client inputs verifies that the evaluation logic remains consistent, and to complete this specific workflow sequence, append an automated notification step that alerts internal team channels based on lead priority. Configure conditional logic rules within your flow diagram to evaluate the calculated priority score generated by your intelligence step. If the client's submission represents a high-value opportunity, trigger an immediate push notification to your team chat application with key details attached. Standard submissions can bypass active chat alerts and quietly collect within your standard customer pipeline lists. This dynamic filtering prevents notification fatigue, ensuring team members only receive immediate alerts for high-priority operational events. Another high-impact operational application revolves around automating customer support inbox management and initial ticket classification. Small business teams often waste extensive hours manually reading incoming support emails, sorting general questions from urgent client issues. By inserting intelligent language automation between your main support inbox and issue tracking system, tickets categorize automatically upon arrival. The system reads the incoming support request, evaluates client sentiment, categorizes the operational problem, and drafts an initial resolution suggestion. Support staff then review and send pre-drafted responses, accelerating operational response times while keeping humans in control of final communications. To construct an automated support management workflow, select your business email provider or ticketing system as the primary event trigger. Set the integration step to monitor your primary support email inbox for any newly arrived customer messages. When a new message arrives, the workflow extracts the subject line, sender details, timestamp, and entire message body text. Test the connection to ensure that rich HTML text formats transform cleanly into plain readable text parameters for downstream processing. Establishing robust text extraction prevents parsing errors when handling complex client emails containing varied signatures or inline original text threads. Pass the extracted support email body directly into a secondary artificial intelligence model instruction block. Direct the model to perform a multitask analysis, identifying the customer core issue, assessing sentiment intensity, and recommending standard response templates. Instruct the processing node to output distinct JSON values representing urgency levels alongside a draft resolution email. Clear structural outputs allow your visual integration platform to add a conditional routing step that evaluates the structural output provided by your intelligence analysis node. Configure high-priority tickets containing negative client sentiment or critical technical issues to immediately generate urgent task items inside your operational tracking software. Map the generated draft response into your support desk database as an internal note, giving your support team an instant starting point. For routine inquiry categories, configure the workflow to save the pre-formatted response directly as a draft email reply inside your inbox. Staff members simply review the draft text, make minor adjustments if necessary, and approve sending with a single click. The third major operational automation scenario targets internal content processing and automated meeting transcript summarization. Small teams spend hours every week replaying client audio recordings, taking manual meeting notes, and manually typing follow-up action items. An automated intelligence pipeline processes video meeting recordings the moment a conversation ends. The system receives raw meeting audio transcripts, passes them through analytical processing modules, extracts key decisions, and populates clear action items. This ensures perfect project tracking without forcing employees to spend post-meeting hours manually compiling operational notes. Begin constructing the transcript workflow by connecting your virtual meeting recorder or cloud transcription service as the primary event step. Configure the integration to fire whenever a new transcribed meeting file finished processing and lands in connected storage drive folders. Map the completed transcript text variable as the main payload item pass to subsequent sequence nodes. Run system tests to confirm that longer transcripts pass cleanly through your connection bridge without hitting text payload size boundaries. Establishing clean file delivery ensures long internal strategy sessions convert properly without losing context halfway through processing. Feed the full meeting transcript into an artificial intelligence module designed specifically for long context text processing. Structure your prompt instructions to request for clear outputs, an executive summary, main key decisions, specific owner action items, and follow-up deadlines. Instruct the language model to extract explicit operational commitments made by attendees during the conversation. Standardizing the structural output ensures that action items extract reliably into standardized